In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva in ChatGPT. So first, log into your Canva account and then log in to your ChatGPT. After log into your ChatGPT, click here and click Setting and click Apps and Connectors. Here you will find all of the available apps that can be connected with ChatGPT. So here Canva is available. Click Canva and now click Connect and here click Continue to Canva and it will pop up to you to the Canva account. And now click Allow. And it has been successfully connected to your Canva account. One thing you should remember that your Canva account also should be logged in this process. So now go to your ChatGPT. In your ChatGPT, your Canva has been connected to the ChatGPT. Click here to close your Canva account. Now create anything you want to design inside the ChatGPT. Let's say first I want to create a social media post. Write a social media post on an online business. Now call Canva with @ and create a social media post. You can mention social media name, Instagram post. Let's see how we get results. So it is processing to connect to the Canva account and see how the result is look like. This is my ChatGPT free account. You can use any of your ChatGPT free account or Pro account. At the same time, any of your Canva free account or Canva Pro account in this method. So see, there are some of the designs available that is as per my command. So if you want to see it more, click here and it is the full version popped up. If you want to further tweak anything, you can just command it here. Or if you want to open this design with Canva, then just click here, open in Canva. It will bring you to the Canva account. And now you can further adjust your design here. Once everything is done, you can just either download it from here or you can also download your design from here. So in this way, you can use Canva in ChatGPT. In this video, I have shown you how to use Canva in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below.